Hit a curb or something?
The cops? Yeah. They can stop us. They can stop me for sure.
Ooh.
Stick around when we hold it down. Look at what we found. Fuck what they was talking about.
What up, G? Man, I tell you, there's never a dull moment in Phoenix. Never. There's always some shit popping off in Phoenix. Anyway, so I responded to a call. You hit a curb or something? Where old boy said that he was distracted driving for just a second, looked down and boom! Okay. Hit a curb. So he says, okay. Got up underneath his car and saw that he snapped his control arm and his tie rod.
Plan is to jack it up. Try to straighten the wheel. It will be easier to load and secure.
So while I'm up underneath this car with it up on a jack, come to find out, he bent the control arm. He might have hit just a little bit more than just the curb. Fuck. This random person come walking up, talking about, hey, you can't tow that car.
So I'm the neighbor in the over here neighborhood.
Car, you can talk.
I was over here in the neighborhood, and I was told by the cops to come because this car was hit in a hit and run.
Right.
So they said not to hook it up or anything because they're gonna be right here.
I'll look out from up underneath the car like what you talking about.
Can they stop that?
The cops? Yeah. They can stop us. They can stop me for sure.
It's like, oh, well, I was a witness to this hit and run, and oh, you can't tow this car. I'm on the phone with the police, and all this, that, and the next. Always some shit popping off around here. Okay, well, let's see what's gonna happen. I can't turn that wheel any more than what it is because the control arm is bent.
Can I be honest with you? Jack that motherfucker up. I don't give a fuck what happens to it at this point. I just need it to go.
The situation's just turned sideways, man. The whole thing went a little sideways. That person's on the phone with the police. If I hook it, they're gonna know exactly where to find you. Because all they're gonna do is call my dispatch, and then that's it. Yeah, man. Well, and then, like I said, they'll be able to find you. Because this truck's got GPS like crazy all over it. Did you hit another car or what?
Yeah, it was like, they doing construction right here in my apartment. So as I was turning, I looked down for a second, and I seen all of the side that. So.
Yeah. Well.
I appreciate you, man.
Yeah. Well, we'll see what happens, man. I mean, you know, I hold out and see. I mean, because the car's on private property now, so, you know, they may or may not tow it. I mean, I don't know. You know, I didn't want to be involved with it. Ooh. Man, he got off up in that car with the blown tire, the cracked rim, the toe-up axle, snapped tie rod, and lower control arm, all that. He forced it back at a parking spot, jumped in another car, and cut. Yeah, no problem, no problem. All right. Let me know in the comments what y'all think about this, right? So if he did not hit a car, right? If he didn't hit the car, what the fuck he leave for? Because the other person showed up and said some shit. If I know I didn't do some shit, I don't give a fuck what comes out your mouth. Well, guess we ain't towing this one. It's probably gonna get towed, but not by me. So we're gonna just clear this out and cut. Well, shit, man, before I could leave the parking lot, the rando person that came up, the alleged witness who said they saw this guy hit another car, was like, hey, I need your info. What you need my info for? Oh, well, because you're a witness. Nope, I ain't getting in the middle of it. It don't involve me. Ain't none of my business. I didn't see shit. I didn't hear shit. So I ain't finna say shit. That's just how that's gonna go. I appreciate y'all watching. Like, share, subscribe. You know I appreciate it. And I'll catch you on the next one.